Welcome back, guys. Hope everyone is doing well nowadays. Today, I am going to show you how you can implement, configure file integrity monitoring on your Linux based, CentOS based endpoint server or the machine. Let's move to the topic. Log into your Wazuh GUI, go to the web and search file integrity monitoring with Wazuh. Okay, this is the topic official website for the Wazuh from where you can follow and implement your configuration, how to configure the file integrity module. I have recently uploaded a video of how you can configure and implement file integrity monitoring on your Windows based host endpoints and the server. What is file integrity monitoring? Mm, It is a module which runs scan on Windows, Linux, Mac operating system. It will report the creation or addition or deletion modification of your directory, folder, drive, any file on which you implement this integrity monitoring. So, how you can monitor the Linux based directory or the folder or drive, etc. This is the path where you can find the object.configuration file. Keep it in your mind that always file integrity monitoring will be implemented on the endpoint or the agent. So let's check. I have recently implemented this on the Windows based operating system. Maybe I don't have the agent currently installed on any of the Windows machine. Let's deploy agent first on any Linux machine. Okay, let's check what is the name and IP I have for the machine. I have this IP. I have named that machine 04. You can name whatever you like and you used to remember. Okay, let's access this machine to install the agent. Okay, let's check it will be installed successfully or not. It will take a bit time to complete this process. As soon it will be completed, we have to run these three commands. Okay. The agent service has been successfully started. I have currently installed agent on Linux based operating system on the CentOS 8 operating OS 8 plus. Let's check the agent has successfully installed or Yes, it is installed successfully, and we have the name. That's the operating system name. That's the IP address, machine. What is the version of agent, and what is the status? It's active. Okay, let's go to integrity monitoring. We don't have any events logged currently. Let's just go to this path, or we directly edit this file. What we have to do, we have to find the file integrity monitoring tag. Yeah, here we are have. What is this? If you find yes in this disable tag, that's mean file integrity monitoring is off, or means disable. If find no in this tag, it means the file integrity monitoring is enable and on. What is the frequency? This is a turning point or the conceptual point. The frequency by default set on any of agent is by default 12 hours. It means the agent will forward or send the logs to the Wazuh server after 12 hours, right? And how you can calculate these values, let me show you. We have 12 hours, and every hour have 60 minutes, and then every minute has 60 seconds. This is the value currently we can see here. I will set this value to the 5 seconds because I want to see these log in the real time. I don't want to waste any time. So these are the default directories monitoring. If you want to add any directory you don't want to monitor, you will add that directory in this way. You will use the ignore tag and add the path for that directory. So we are going to monitor any of the directory, and let me check for a while. This is the script I have copied from my Windows based agent. What we are going to do, we are going to add a path for our Linux based directory. Let's just add /etc, or let just create a directory. We will make a directory for file integrity monitoring. Test. The directory has been created. You can find here. This is the directory we have created. Let's just add this path to our configuration file. Okay, we have the directory etc, and in that directory we have this a directory on which we want to implement monitoring. What is this script? You want to check all directories file folders in this at this path, report changes, yes, in real time, yes. Okay, let's just save this configuration file by control X, uh, enter Y, then press enter. This file will be saved. Now keep it in your mind that every time you implement any change or any addition or deletion in your agent file, you every time you have to restart the agent to take that changes take place. Okay, whenever you change anything in the configuration file after that implementation, you have to restart the agent to reflect those changes take place. Okay, let's just go to this path. I am Now we will create a text file name with text and check the file has been created. Now we will go to our Wazuh server dashboard and wait for a while to report that change to the Wazuh server. Let's just refresh and see the is there is something we were missing. I don't think so. It will take a bit time. Let's check. We have added the path. Okay. Let's see. We have frequency 5. Okay. Maybe the change will not reflect. Yes. It has come to the integrity monitoring dashboard. We have the agent name here and what the change happened file added to the system, what is action, and here is the proper log for the on which agent this change has been performed. This is the path where the file has been added. This is the path. This is how you can implement file integrity monitoring on your Windows or Linux based agents, host, and server. Hope you understand this very well, guys. If you have any question, any confusion, any query, you can comment on under my video. You can email me. My email has been added on my channel. You can WhatsApp me. Please like and subscribe my channel. Share with your colleagues, friends to support me. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.